Hi guys, welcome back to Yaya's Craft House. Today we are building a bathroom for the beach hotel room. I started by cutting 3 pieces of foam board to about 7 inches wide. And then I cut out a floor and glued them all together. I then took this black and white paper. I thought it kind of looked like tiles, so I used it to cover the floor and also what will become the shower, the back wall, and a little bit on the side walls. I decided to use this green paper, which is the same green I used in the bunk room of the hotel room. And then I took some clear packaging from a Barbie box and cut it to the size I wanted to be like a glass door for the shower. And then I cut out some strips of foam board and glued them around the edges. Then I glued it in place. For the shower head, I took this little lid and this welding stuff that I took out of my husband's toolbox to make the shower head. I filled the bottom part of the lid with hot glue. I wanted it to be kind of filled out, and then I took a toothpick and poked little holes in it for the shower head. I got this little toilet at the Dollar Tree. It doesn't look very good when it's open because there is no back on it, but I'll just leave it closed. I cut out 2 little triangles of foam board and glued them in the corner for little shelves in the shower. I pulled out all of my leftover stickers from the hotel room and started putting some on the wall. For this one, I put it on white cardstock, and then I thought for the frame I would use these little like driftwood pieces to make it kind of look kind of rustic and homemade. I made another little towel rack like I did in the hotel room video and glued it to the wall. After I glued all of the shower head components together, I was afraid it wouldn't stick to the wall, so I cut out a circle of foam board, painted it black as well, and glued it on to the other components. And then I glued it onto the wall. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the thumbs up below and subscribe for more videos, and I'll see you back here soon.